Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? I hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Day Shift, National Ideal English Version School. My dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 4, and our today's topic is chapter 5 C.B.Q 3. Dear students, it is RW class for you. You have already got a few class related to this chapter. Okay, today we will solve one C.B.Q from this chapter, and our C.B.Q number 3. Our today's C.B.Q 3. At first, I am reading the question, and I told you to hear the question carefully. Price of a cabbage is 25 taka and a pumpkin is 60 taka. Vina buy 12 cabbage and 15 pumpkins. Number A question, what is the price of 12 cabbages? B number question, what is the price of 15 pumpkins? And C number questions, in order to buying these items, Bina give the shopkeeper say 1000 taka note and a 500 taka note. How much taka will she get back from the shopkeeper? Okay, now we will solve A number question. A number question is, what is the price of 12 cabbage? Here price of 1 cabbage already given it, and it is 25 taka. So price of 12 cabbage will be 12 times of 25. That means we have to multiply 25 by 12. Then we can get price of 12 cabbage. Okay. Here price of 1 cabbage is 25 taka. Therefore, price of 12 cabbages is, it will be 12 times of 25. That means 25 multiplication, sorry, it will be 25. 25 multiplication 12 taka. Here 25 multiplication 12. If we multiply this, 5 2s are 10. From 10 we will write 0, carrying 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Then in second step, in first place we have to take 0. Then 1 5s are 5 and 1 2s are 2. Now if we add 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 5 plus 5 equal to 10. From 10 we will write 0, carrying 1. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. That means this is equal to 300 taka, and answer will be 300 taka. That means price of 12 cabbage will be 300 taka. Now we will solve B number question. B number question is, what is the price of 15 pumpkins? Here the price of 1 pumpkin is given and it is 60 taka. We have to find out price of 15 pumpkins. So price of 15 pumpkins will be 15 times of 60. That means we have to multiply 60 by 15. So price of 1 pumpkin is 60 taka. Therefore, price of 15 pumpkins is 60 multiplication 15 taka. Now here 60 multiplication 15. 5 zeros are 0 and 6 5s are 30. Now take 0 in 1th place, then 1 zeros are 0 and 6 ones are 6. If we add, then 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 0 equal to 0 and 6 plus 3 equal to 9. That means price of 15 pumpkins will be 900 taka. 900 taka. And answer will be 900 taka. Dear students, we have finished our B number question. Now we will solve C number question. C number question is, in order to buying these items, Bina give the shopkeeper say 1000 taka note and a 500 taka note. How much taka will she get back from the shopkeepers? He totally given to shopkeepers 1000 taka note and 500 taka note, and 1000 taka note means 1000 taka and 500 taka means 500 taka. Total 1500 taka he has given to the shopkeepers, and her total cost 300 plus 900. That means we have to add 300 and 900, then each will be 300 plus 900 equal to 1200, and we have to subtract this 1200 from 1500, then it will be 300 and our answer will be 300. Now we will solve. A 1000 taka note is equal to 1000 taka, and another one a 500 taka note is equal to 500 taka. In total, she has given to the shopkeeper is 0 plus 0, we have to add these two figure, and 0 plus 0 equal to 0, again 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 5 equal to 5, now 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Now we have to find out her total cost. From A, we got price of 12 cabbages, price of 12 cabbages is 300 taka, and from B we have got price of 15 pumpkins is 900 taka. From B we got price of 15 pumpkins is 900 taka. Therefore, her total cost is, we have to write 900 under 300. 900, that means pumpkins is 900 taka. Now 0 plus 0 equal to 0, again 0 plus 0 equal to 0, and 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So her total cost is 1200 taka, and she has given to the shopkeeper is 1500 taka. Now we have to subtract this 1200 from 1500, then you can easily get how much taka will she get back from the shopkeeper. Therefore she will get back from the shopkeeper is equal to 1200, sorry, it will be 1500 minus 1200. If we subtract, then it will be 300 taka. Now dear students, we have finished our today's class, and I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home, do SW properly, and your SW, our today's SW number 32, and your SW is very important because you know that you will get your diary marks, CT mark and SBA mark based on your SW. So do SW carefully, stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.